Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the wallpaper image in your desktop screen in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to open or search File Explorer at the bottom search bar, type File Explorer. Once you have typed it, the best match will appear, double tap to open. Okay, so the moment you are being redirected here at the File Explorer, go for the pictures. If you have a list of pictures here, in my case, it is in my download folder. So I'll be going with this. And here I can see different pictures that I could go with. Here, just select the pictures that you want to be in your desktop screen. Just double tap to open. So in my case, I'll be going with this one. So just double tap that and here you are able to open your image. Now, in order to set this into the wallpaper in our desktop screen, you can see here three dots in your left side of your screen. Click on it. And the moment you have clicked that this different options will appear. Here you need to go with set as. And the moment you have selected, you will able to choose two options, which is you can go with a set as lock screen or background. Now, since we want this image to be our wallpaper image in our desktop screen, then let's go with background. Simply click on it. And in that manner, you have just successfully changed your wallpaper image in your desktop screen. When we close this, now we can see here that the image that we have selected is now our wallpaper image. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.